These are the elevators at Manor Oak 2 in either Carnegie or Scott Township, Pennsylvania. These appear to have been originally old Otis, like VIP 260 or something, but they got modernized by Dover Impulse. EPCO lantern, yeah. What are they on the inside? EPCO. 9, they have an impulse column, it's really bizarre. Here we go. It's not musty. Whoa. I don't know if this is software form. I guess Dover did the EPCO. Maybe the impulse is different, I don't know. Here at 9. I think the original is carbon cell. Atoms are for plus, but I got the original lantern. Back down to 1. Certificate installed 1969. The basic cab, again, it smells really musty in here. Yeah, this one was probably either in the 80s or 90s. Walt Whitman indicator. The arrows don't work. They don't work. What's that? That's weird. There's an impulse call button right there. It calls now it's in here.